Hello guys, I will make this juice for my madam. It contains orange, apple, and beetroot inside. I use this type of juicer guys. This is the type of juicer. So I will put this. A while ago I cleaned this one. This one, see? Allah, I forgot to cut. I will cut this one. This is the beetroot because I forgot to cut. See? Nice. This one. Apple, orange, and beetroots. I will make this mixed juice. Now I need to repair here. See, I have no stand so I cannot make. I want to show you, but what can I do now? And then there is one here. So this is a nutria. Very nice for the immune system. I think this kind of juice, this one orange, apple, and beetroots. Thank you for watching guys.